Alright, today in this video we're going to be going over booking software. The booking software, you can integrate it to your website, and it's basically going to make your business more automated. With booking software, customers can schedule appointments, get estimates, invoices, and you can bill them automatically, plus many additional other features. Um, so doing my research, I came across two booking softwares. There's Booking Koala and Launch 27, which are both pretty popular booking softwares for service-based businesses. You can do anything from house painting, cleaning, landscaping, window washing. Both these booking software platforms are pretty good for that. I would have I tested out both. You can get a free, I think it's a 14-day trial, and I believe Booking Koala also offers the same 14-day free trial. Um, I eventually just went with Booking Koala. They are a bit less expensive, and going over both platforms, they were very similar. Um, I would have to say maybe the one of the pros about Launch 27 is it seems like their software is a bit more complete. Some of the features, I know Launch 27, I think their app is already working and it already integrates with QuickBooks. And I know Booking Koala, they're going to be adding QuickBooks and adding an app for the provider so that they can log in via their phone. I'm not going to go too in detail about all the features of the software. Booking Koala has tons of tutorials online on YouTube to help you set it up and figure some of the options you have. So I'm just going to show you the platforms and key features that I liked. And both platforms look very similar, how it looks in the back end. So right here you have your calendar with all your scheduled appointments. And then this drop down menu just shows you bookings for today, upcoming bookings, your job history, cancellation, booking charges. This is what I really enjoy about this software. Once you have your payment system set up, all you got to do is just hit this $ here, and it automatically automatically charges the customer right to your business banking account, or they use PayPal, Stripe, and Square, I believe, as a processor integration. I currently use the PayPal integration, and that makes it easy to accept payments with customers. And if you have providers or workers, you can also easily send out payments to them, which is one of the major reasons why I wanted this kind of booking software. And then going down, this is where you can see your customers. You can add them manually, or when they sign up, they will create their own profile. Then you have your provider tab. You can add new providers here. The payment option, you can pay your employees or providers, and then the rest kind of explains itself. Marketing, you can create coupon codes right here. The gift card option, people can purchase electronic gift cards. Reports, this will just show you your overall business data, bookings, how much you're making, referrals, and then payments to providers. And then settings, you can modify certain settings on your account, your business information, checklist. You can set up a checklist for your employees so they know what to clean. Email list. This sets up nicely with MailChimp. You can create a abandoned cart campaign and collect the customers, possible customer lead. Tab. This you just kind of set up what kind of service you're going to be providing, and then they have different types of forms that they can fill out, and the forms kind of will depend on your type of business, the type of service that you're running. I'm not going to get too detailed in that. Just go ahead and play around with it. This software is fairly intuitive to learn, and then plus Booking Koala does offer these tutorials in whatever drop-down menu tab you might be in, explaining what the feature does, which I really enjoy. It helped me kind of navigate the software a little bit faster. And then apps and integration. You can connect like Facebook, Google, Yahoo's API. Basically, creates like a little button on the sign up form where the customer can simply just click that button and sign in automatically pretty quick. And then these are the other kind of integration softwares that you can add to Booking Koala. So overall, as since I've been using the software, I thought it was pretty easy to set up. Also, one thing I do want to go over, and then notifications. This is really nice. You can go to customer tab, and then these are all the automated email responses that go out depending on if a customer books an appointment, sends out receipts, confirmation emails. So you can set this up so that all these emails can be sent out to the customer automatically, which is, I thought, a nice feature. You can use the email system for automation, or you can go to the SMS and set SMS messaging so that they'll just get text directly to their phone. This, I believe, does cost. I haven't integrated this myself. I think it is pretty cheap. This is something I might integrate once I have more customers. But it's a nice feature that they added as well. Booking Koala does offer their own themes. I, however, kind of like more customization, and I like to be able to control my website a little bit more. You simply just go to Design Forms and Websites, and you can go right down to Embedded Forms, and then you can just copy and paste this code into your WordPress site. I like WordPress, so I just embedded this code there, and then the form will look similar to this. This is the form I have embedded in my own website, so you don't have to use their themes. If you go this way, this will probably be a little bit cheaper too. Launch 27 also has something similar. You can embed their forms, or you can just purchase their themes. It is a bit more of an expensive route, but if you're looking for something quick and easy, there's that route. Overall, I'm satisfied with this booking platform. It's made lots of things automated in my business, which was what I was looking for. And for the price, I don't think you can beat it. If you have any questions, comment below. I will be leaving a link to the booking software in the description below. So if you want to check it out for yourself, go ahead and click on the link. and I will see you in the next video.